Okay, all right, guys. Today we're going to talk about footprint, the class and subclass that is required to make a footprint in Allegro. So let me quickly jump to this. So this is what I'm planning to do. So if the one that is there in the left is the one that I've been using, and it has all the necessary class and subclass that I want. And the one on the left side is the one that I just downloaded. It has lots of unnecessary stuff, and I want to make sure all the silk screen lines and text width size everything match with the one that I have earlier. So I'm going to do that in front of you, um, and explain what are the classes and subclass that is necessary. And it's very important to make them standard for all the symbols or devices that is used in the PCB. Yep. Um, Give me a second. Let me go. All right. Okay. So yeah. So let me quickly go to the separate symbols individual. So this is the footprint for this one, and this is the footprint for the other one, the one on the right. Yeah, this one. So let's match them. First, let's understand the subclass, class and subclass. Um, so let me open this one first. Okay. So if you see here, for example, we have RefDes, Silkscreentop, then I'm going to come in details package, Silkscreentop, package geometry assembly top, and package geometry pin number, and all those things like um, yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to options and start de-highlighting each and every single one of class and subclass so that we understand everything. Let's start from RefDes. Silkscreentop. This is a Silkscreentop, right? Gone. Cool. And then assembly top. This one right here. Gone. Cool. Then what else? Package geometry assembly top. This is the assembly top. Gone. Cool. Silkscreentop. Gone. Then what else? Pin number. Gone. Then yeah, I'm going to go to pin and then top. If you see this three layer, so yeah, so Soldermask top. Soldermask is the one that we saw in the PCB, they're green color, right? Like for example, let me quickly PCB um, images. I wanted to saw something right here. I think yeah, I think that is good enough. Yeah, if you see here, this green, they are all copper, right? So this green color is coated on top of copper so that it's insulated, and these are the actual foots where the IC, the footprint of the IC. Other than that, we want all to be insulated, so that is called solder mask, right? So if I go here, solder mask top and solder mask top, it will be the largest one. They can be same with the pin right here. So this is the actual copper, and this is a solder mask top. So it generally it will be a little bigger than the actual exposed pin, right? Exposed, yeah. So if you see here, it's bigger, and this is the actual pin, the copper, like I shown here. This is that the pin, and it will be a little bigger, and then, or it can be same. Um, so yeah, okay. Top, this is the actual edge. Then yeah, so another thing is the paste. So whenever we do assembly, we want to have a stencil, right? So stencil is something which looks like this. Yep. Images. The stencil is something which looks like this, and this is where we place the solder paste, and then using squeezer we just rub it off so that it all the assembly components pads, which is nothing but this copper right here, is overlaid with the solder pad paste. So this will be always smaller than or equal to at least, and solder mask should be at least equal to or greater than, right? So yeah, so paste top, let me de-highlight this, and then top. Okay, cool. And this one is, yeah, so one thing that I would like to mention is like, yeah, it's a filled rectangle. We don't know which class. Generally, if you go to anything like assembly top, okay, so it shows, oh, this is vertical line segment, and it's using package geometry and assembly top, right? Or in fact, if you want to place a rectangle, you have to literally choose like what class and subclass, right? Then just give me a second. Yeah, assembly top. Okay, let me. Why am I not able to place? Okay, yeah, that. So yeah, so if you see the shape right here, it says package geometry and assembly top. Yeah, and in this case, we don't see it just says filled rectangle. So which subclass does it belong? If you want to know that, you just need to right click and show element, and you see it's in package geometry place bound top. So I'll go right there in the package geometry and place bound top. Cool. So we have nothing right here where we've covered each and every class and subclass, right? And I'm gonna do the same for the other footprint here. Let me just fit. All right, so I'm gonna start from RefDes. Display top, we don't use any of them. Assembly top, cool, gone. Silkscreentop, right here, gone. Then package geometry, assembly top, gone, cool. Silkscreentop, where is Silkscreentop? Okay, gone, cool. Then I'm going to go to pin class, Soldermask top. In this case, Soldermask Pastemask and the top, they are all the same, right? So as you can see, Pastemask, cool. Then the next thing is the pin number, package geometry, pin number, gone, cool. And what else do we have? Copyright, we don't need this. We'll delete unnecessary things. We don't want to complex. We don't want to make things complex. Okay, so what else? Place bound top, right? Cool. And what is this? It's manufacturing no prop top. Yeah, I think I'm gonna delete that. And this is part number, user part number, Silkscreentop. We don't want to start printing part number in the PCBs. It's gonna be there in the bill of material, like yeah, bill of material. So you can, I will create another video for it. I think I've already made one. Yeah, so it's already, it's already here in the bill of material. Yep. So yeah, those part number, description, and all can be easily generated from the bill of material. So why do we need to print in the silk screen that will overcrowded the PCB, right? So all this part number and all everything is can be exported on the bill of material. Yeah, so part number definitely not necessary. Then tolerance, Silkscreentop not necessary. Device not necessary, not necessary, and component value Silkscreentop not necessary. So I'm going to delete all of this right here. And let me did I delete? Okay, this has been not deleted. So let me save this for time being. At least we have deleted all the unnecessary stuff right here, which we can see over here. These are all the things that, yeah, as you can see, it's a lot of, it's a lot crowded. Like it's gonna be hard to read, and the still screen, the board will be messy. So let me just, since we have deleted and saved it, let me just update the symbols. Place, update symbols, and then package symbols, even mechanical symbols. Skip update, which is symbol text location and size. Okay, cool. Refresh. Yep, now it looks much cleaner, right? Huh. Okay, so yep. Um, yeah, this is for this MOSFET right here. We're gonna change that as well later, not right now. Okay, now let's go back to, yeah, I'm just curious of one thing. Let me just let's check the 3D view once. So yeah, just trying to understand. Okay, so this is the place bound top, right? You see here, yeah, so it cuts the U, the RefDes right here, is it? Yeah, so this is the bound. So in case if the symbol doesn't have a 3D step file mapped to it, it's gonna use this place bound chop from package geometry class and fill that up with black box right here, as you can see. All right, so okay, cool. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this. Yeah, we had one thing which we deleted right here, which is this one, manufacturing no pro, right? So I'm gonna delete that as well. Done, and I'm gonna delete this copyright as well. All right, save it. Yes, and let's enable on. Yeah, so it's much looks much cleaner and better. Okay. So let me quickly update there as well. Where is that? Right here. Where's the place? That symbol. That symbol. Reset symbol tags. Okay, cool. So it's gone. So we just have the place bound from package geometry, right? Okay. Yeah. Now let's resize the text, right? Um, Before that, I want to. Yeah, I think let's go for resizing the text. Yeah, so it's a little smaller as compared to what we have right now. Let me open my previous board right here. Uh, Sorry, let me enable only the Silkscreentop SLT. Okay, U50. It's one of the smallest already. So yeah, yeah. I think this size is good enough. We don't want it to be too big or too small. As you can see, this is one of the previous board that I designed. Um, yeah, I think this size is good. Yeah, and this might be too small. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the size first, right? Change text, change block. Okay, so we are in. Okay, we were in one. I changed this to two, and then okay, uh, two is good, right? Two is good. I'm gonna do the same for all of this. Um, Package geometry screen top and RefDes. I mean, both assembly top and screen top for both RefDes and package geometry. All right. So first thing first. Okay, the text box block is fine. We chose two, but the thing is like the width is not good enough, right? To change that, we're gonna go to setup, user preference. Here, where was that? Okay, design parameters most probably. Yeah, here it is. Set up text size, and we're gonna go for text block two, right? Two is not big enough. So let's go for. Let's compare again. That's a four. Four looks good. Okay. Okay. Still it's small, right? Still small. Let's make it six. Six. Okay. Now this looks good, I think. Okay. So let's place it in the proper location. Okay, I'm gonna change the grid first. Grid application, grids. This is in middle. Okay. Let me change this to uh, millimeter. Accuracy. Okay. Like, okay. Great. Let me change this to um, 0. Okay, what's the grid size for my main board? Grids. Oh, it's 0.001. Let's make it the same. Okay, cool. Yep. Now I'm gonna bring this somewhere around here, and this I will change to this. I'm gonna change to 2. Okay, so this is for pin number 1, and similarly I'm gonna change this to um, this text stuff. Okay, let me highlight only the text. Text. Okay, I'm gonna change this to 2, and let me bring this right in the middle options. Okay, body center already, it's fine. Let me place right in the middle. Okay, I could have done like x0, y0. Cool. And this can be somewhere here. Yeah, that's all, I guess. Done. Only the text. Okay, let us move this bit down so that it aligns. Wait, cancel. Let's highlight this as well. And then I'm gonna move them somewhere here. Save it. Yes. And then what else? Yeah, okay, so we need to change the width as well. What about the width? Let's compare. If you see here, it's like okay, almost okay. Talk about this and this Silkscreentop. Okay, let's check here. We're gonna see right here. Okay, so this is the. We have something smaller. I think it's fine to be small here. But what's the line width? Okay, let me highlight all of lines. So element 4.7. Okay. I'm gonna make it 5 for all of them. Yeah. So let's select every line, all of lines, change width to 5. Oops. 5 might be in mil, right? Was it? Zero point 0.127, 0.18, 0.18. Why not make 0.15? Right? It was in mil, so 0.15. Yeah, I'm good with this. And I'm gonna do something else as well, like uh, yes. Add line on picket geometry and Silkscreentop. Okay, and line width is 0.15. Just want to place something like this. Okay. Yeah. Save it. Yes. And let me copy this and then rotate and then place somewhere around here. Done. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna save it now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click here, then mm, mm, copy this, and then I rotate it here, and then place somewhere here as well. That, yep. Yeah, I think that's all. Okay, let me update right here. Place that symbol, refresh. Yeah, it looks much cleaner. Let me bring this somewhere here. Yeah, much better. Okay, let's look it on the 3D view once again. Yep, awesome. Alright, so okay, and just one more thing. Let me bring this guy right here. Just for comparison, you know. Let's save it. Yes. And I think I want to see this is 74, right? This one, okay. Yeah, looks nice. Yeah, I might change this circle, the star to circle, I guess. Yeah, that's the only change that I'm gonna do for now, and we're gonna wrap up after that. So this will be on the, I believe it was on package geometry, right? Um, was it package? Yeah, this. Um, that's the radius 0.25. Okay, is it good enough? Is it too large or too small? Let's see. 0.25. You can see here, here. Okay, I think it's good. 0.25 is good. All right, so I'm gonna place that right here instead of Silkscreentop. Radius is 0.25. 0. Place circle 0.25. mm, static solid done. And I'm gonna delete all this text right here. Let's delete this and let's save it. Yep, I'm gonna bring this somewhere around here. Done. Save this. Okay, so place update symbol. Refresh. Yep, so we got a circle right here. I hope it looks nice. But okay, view, camera, top. I don't want yeah, this looks nice and cool. All right, we are good. I think that's all for today. As always.